Hi guys, I am Suprabha. In last video we studied Euler's method. We know that it is a single step method that is used to find first order differential equations. They are denoted as dy by dx. Y is dependent upon x and x is an independent variable. So we will consider a function f of x comma y. Now in the Euler's method we had studied that the y naught was known to us and x of I was known to us. So we had calculated the point xi, and from the tan theta we had calculated y I plus 1. So these 2 points are nothing but the approximations of y, because at the various values of x we are calculating the values of y. Now if you see, this is the error that is found out. To reduce this error, we have the modified Euler's method. For the modified Euler's method, we generally calculate the average of these 2 points. Suppose this is the average point, and draw a slope from this point. So this is the slope. Now if you see, the error is reduced. To calculate the slope of this point, first we need the yi plus 1. So we know how yi plus 1 is calculated. It is yi plus f of xi comma yi into step size h. Step size is this. So after calculating this, we can calculate the modified formula, that is yi plus 1 modified yi plus f of xi yi plus f of xi plus 1 comma yi plus 1 divided by h divided by 2. So using this formula you can calculate the reduced error. So let us consider the same example that we had seen in the previous video. Approximate y of 0.2, that is, we will find the value of y at x equal to 0.2. The function given to us is dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y. Initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 0 and step size given is h is equal to 0.1. Now we know x naught is equal to 0 at y naught is equal to 0. The initial condition y of 0 is equal to 0, that means at value x equal to 0, value of y is 0. So now we will calculate x1. We know that xi plus 1 is calculated by step size plus xi. So x1 will be 0 plus 0.1, that is 0.1. So y1 will be, calculate y1 from this formula, y0 plus f into x naught comma y naught into step size. If you put the previous values, you will get the value 0. It is 0. So now we will calculate y1 modified. So the formula becomes y0 is equal to f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 into step size divided by 2. Now we will substitute the values. Y naught is 0, function is x plus 2y. X naught is 0 plus 2 into 0 gives 0 plus, now the values x1 and y1. x1 is 0.1 plus 2 into 0 into step size 0.1 divided by 2. If you solve this, the value will be 0.005. So this is y1 modified. They have asked us the value of y of 0.2. That means we want the value of I at x equal to 0.2. So at x equal to 0.2, y2 will be from this formula y1 plus f of x1 y1 into step size. If you calculate this value, value will be 0.01. Now y2 modified, formula will be y1 plus f of x1 comma y1 plus f of x2 comma y2 into step size divided by 2. Now simply substitute the values. Y1 is 0 plus function of x1, so this into plus 2 into 0.05 plus 0.2, 2 into 0.01, this divided by 2 into step size, I'll write it here 0.1. Now if you calculate this value will be 0.0215. So we have obtained for the instant x equal to 0.2, the value of y is 0.0215. So for more details of Euler's method, you can just refer my previous video. Hope you understood. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you understood the concept. For any doubts and suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. These are few videos that you can refer. Guys, just check out the link in the video description for the handwritten notes. Guys, help us to help you. So please like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.